Hi, I'm Sarah O'Brien. Welcome to your Compassionate Self Kit. I want to give you some information about the other kits. First up, the Burnout Awareness Kit. It includes a full 35-page document with lots of good information about burnout awareness, and other services that I offer. You will also get a burnout inventory assessment that you can score yourself to find out where you stand on the burnout spectrum. You will also get a self-care checkup that includes an inventory of things going on in your life right now and a self-care promise, burnout recovery guide, a neuroplasticity handout about how you change the brain, and some handouts discussing faulty core beliefs and unmet childhood needs. Accompanying these handouts are some journal prompts to get you diving further into your own personal patterns that may be contributing to burnout. I hope that you enjoy this package. Thanks so much.